Specialist nero tetigiri magega asyabage gucengera ritukeriga na kubwatoka obokoreri gochiase abananchi chinga kibego babakwerera egatiemero beremiya eyo babwate yokonekia buna obokoreri bobubwenia babiri bogoikerera abananchi nene korwase county ya Kisii egatia bali babiri bakurwara oborwa maroire ye chinyigo asegeka nigo baikera noro asinonya no babakwerera obuya bwokubwatia amachiko chinga kibanyorere korwase gosinga kibagendera nyora obo wenya muriketo dipo nasanya nigatwariganirite orobotyo
aso gucengera litukulio chinyigo ensengi machinsemo ao inyagitali yo Oasis specialist nigo etatigwa magega ase banyara kwerera emiro birimi yabagenderete kubeka lyoko enekianga abana inchi banyoriro bokoreri obuya nabamenyire na hali erengiya asamagima abo
Rona intwe nigo twa join the world inde yuko chengeri tukeria enyigo ensenkima amune gitari tete batabinga ntubegete mipango ke ukorwa muna kumanye shida yenyigo na kikoyerwari na ukeranga kwa rango mo rwiro bwenire among the
gati yabali babeire no muchando bw'ichinyigo asegeka egetambe nigo banyara kwerera obuya bukubwatia machiko kurwasa abanyagitari elyo kugenderera komenya asamatuka mange
kerana na wede tayo bana istinyumba to urero bw'ichinyigo abanyagitari mbatagete kunkange bakange advice unana kinda nyare ko bagonkomenya na injenga bwati advice eri bangete yentege tangani bagantebi nyare nkubwati amachiko yekindagera ngane ikoli yakero umuntu rwale to buru y'ichinyigo tagana irikoli ndagere ndayonsi obyo kindagera njiro agana irikoli egere olimo bwaye obo tambake
dialysis I got to know that I have a kidney problem because I was not able to retain food. I could eat and vomit almost every now and then. I could eat and vomit. Sometimes I will have fevers, shivers, very high temperatures. So first we thought it's malaria, then after that we thought it's ulcers, I can't keep food in. Then we went to a few hospitals, but when we went to Kisumu, it was when I was diagnosed with the kidney problem in 2016.
Oso etama omonto oro nakaniri ndagera gete esengenjo etama oli ndagere eyige kogera kwenyi obugima bwawo iso kubwatiri jiko buno okwera shumo munyagitari nabo komenya se kero kerege kegeta
tinga kiboigo ni go basabire abantu bonsu wesokia na kugenda sinyagitari eli banyare korengwa eli banyare komanya obwekeranu bwa hali yemebere yabo
tararwara gose bali barware abatararware gento ndabatabineke mobe moko gande kinyagitari kerekero mwapimu wamanya ngaki umubere ogori yakagara buna inje yona abete nkurwara lakini namanya ninki yeko garangenda ate kubimba umubere nkagenda nawe no buraguri nkairana ngoitunkorete ngoitunde lakini yakara na agete nyagitari abanyagitari bagapimu bakanyora ombwate sitayo gorwire bwaki wechinyigo eyale kogera nale kubimba umubere taligo nale korogo.
Like you go to the hospitals, you be screened about you have some headaches, even blood pressure, you check your blood pressure, you check your random blood sugars once in a while. You can do some also urine tests for you to rule out this or to screen these kidney diseases, so that in case you have them, the doctors know how to prevent the one that is remaining, the residual function of the kidney to you, not so that it doesn't keep on progressing to fading.
Ginko ripotire kitaseni kia onambe ya mokia Ndizi TV kurwa sinyagitari ya Oasis specialist iyo kutoka Nyamira County ya Kisii elitaliane Dipon Asanya.